Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about a pretty dope credit union that anyone can join across the United States. They're offering several different credit cards, and these are pretty good limit credit cards. Their highest credit card goes up $50,000. Right now they have 0% APR balance transfers. Also, they have their checking account, which comes with a 0.05 APY. It's pretty decent. So if you want to see more videos about business and finance, pretty much all things that have to do with business and finance, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, if you want to learn how to repair your personal credit so that you can get approved for high limit funding, and so that you can get approved for that dream house, that dream car, or even high limit business funding, check out our ebook. It comes with 3 bonuses. It is on sale right now for only $27. So the link will be down in the description box below. All right, so this credit union is called SkyOne Federal Credit Union. Now, as I stated previously at the beginning of the video, they do allow you to join anywhere in the United States. And so in order to become a member, once you click on become a member, all you have to do is, of course, be 18 and older, and then make sure that you have a minimum of $5 to open a savings account. And then either if you are working for one of the organizations listed here or retired from one of these organizations, but most of you probably are going to put none of the above. So what they're going to do is they're going to donate to one of these charities for you on your behalf in order for you to become a member. So anyone can do this. That's how you become a member. Now they've got some new credit cards here. They have that classic, and then they have a platinum rewards as well as a platinum. And so the classic and the platinum has a $0 annual fee, which is really good. And then they have 0% balance transfer for 12 months. So if you would like to transfer your card balances from one credit card to the SkyOne credit card, if you get approved, one of these SkyOne credit cards, then you'll have 0% interest for 12 months. So that way you're saving money to actually use this credit card. So the classic has a rate that actually decreases by 0.25 every 3 months. So this is really awesome. I really haven't heard of too many credit cards that do this. So your rate goes down as you show good payment history. And that's with the classic one. So with the platinum rewards, you're going to be able to get 1.5 times the rewards in 2 categories, and then 1 times the rewards in everything else. And then so the platinum elite, you'll be able to get 3 times the rewards in 2 categories, 2 times the rewards in another 2 categories, and then 1 times the rewards in everything else. Now, this is what you all have been waiting for. So the limits go up to $10,000 on the classic, and then on the platinum, it goes up to $25,000, or the platinum rewards. And then the platinum elite is the one that goes up to $50,000 in limits. Also, keep in mind, if you do the balance transfer, it'll be a 3% fee, cash advance fee, 3% as well. You do get additional benefits with these credit cards as well. You'll be able to get price protection, purchase security, roadside dispatch on the classic, and then on the platinum rewards, you'll be able to get benefits for lost luggage, as well as travel emergency assistance, as well as travel incident insurance, auto retail collision damage waiver. And then for the platinum rewards elite, you'll get extra protection when it comes to your trips. So you'll be able to cancel trips if you need to, and then return protection as well as cell phone protection. So lots of great benefits on these cards. This is a pretty dope credit union. That's why it's always recommended to go with credit unions over the bigger banks, because you'll get higher limits easier, and then they have better benefits. and also lower rates, lower interest rates most of the time. So as you can see here on this classic one, they actually decrease your rate, like I said before, every 3 months. Now, when it comes to the business side, they do offer business checking accounts as well as savings accounts, merchant services, and then commercial loans. I'm not sure if they offer any business credit cards. I don't believe they offer any business credit cards at all, but for right now, I'm seeing that they're only offering the commercial real estate loan. So if you are in real estate, this could be a great credit union that you can go to get loans for real estate. So if you would like to get a business account with them, you would have to actually contact them. You can't set up anything online. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. And also, if you need help with your credit or business funding, check out the links down in the description box below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.